Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change Amazon account in Kindle. To change your Amazon account on your Kindle, you'll first need to deregister your current account and then register the new one. First of all, open up your Amazon application or sign into Amazon.com on a web browser. Once you're logged into your account, from the main home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This will then take you to this page from where you'll need to tap on your account. Once you select your account, go ahead and scroll down the menus and then tap on Devices. Now, tap on the Kindle option under Amazon app installed on devices and click on Deregister from the device option. In the pop-up, click on Deregister once again. You can also deregister your Kindle Cloud Reader as well. And once you do that, go ahead and open up your Kindle application. Now that you've deregistered your Kindle account from Amazon, you will now need to sign in to another account that you are trying to change to. Type in your phone number or your email address for another account that you already have, or you can also sign up for a new account. After typing in your email and your password, click on the Sign In button for the account you want to use. If you don't have an account that you want to change to, you can also tap on Create a new Amazon account and create a new account for yourself. And right after you log in, you will then be able to change your Amazon account in Kindle. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.